Hey guys, welcome to this. If you're new to my channel, my name is Saanvi, and as you know by the title today, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review on the Logitech keyboard K380. Sorry for all the background noises, there's a construction going on, so please excuse me for that. Also, if you do like this type of content, do consider subscribing to my channel. It would help me a lot. So without any further ado now, let's start.
So this is how the keyboard looks and comes in. I love the way it looks in real life. In video it looks a little darker than the actual color, but I'll just pop up a picture so that you can see how the real color looks. It only comes with some instructions and that's pretty much in the box. This keyboard comes with batteries as well, and the company says that this batteries are going to last you for 2 years if you use it normally. So let's just see how much are they going to last. Let's start with the physical appearance. The circular keys feel nice to type. If you have small fingers, they are really comfortable to type, but if you do have larger fingers, you might want to see a different option. And the thickness of the keyboard varies from the top to the bottom, maybe to give an angle, as it doesn't have the flaps at the back, but it totally feels amazing. Now let's talk about the technical things about this keyboard. I just had to long press the number 1 to connect it to my iPad. It appeared in the other devices section, and once I clicked on it, it was pretty smooth to connect. At the beginning I had some issue where if I clicked on the caps lock, it changed languages, but it was some problem in the settings which I had to rectify. Another cool feature which you can try is download the app called Logi Options from Logitech, and this is going to allow you to customize 4 keys on the keyboard. So these are the 4 keys which you can customize on your keyboard. Once you click on the specific key on your screen, you're going to get a tons of options. You can browse and choose from them and see what works for you. So here are the options which I chose. I mainly chose shortcut keys, Command Q to quit, full screen, Command Shift 3 to take a screenshot, and Command Option W to close Finder tab. So here's a short clip showing you guys how easy it is to switch between devices. And of course, we couldn't have a video of keyboard without some ASMR keyboard typing, so here you have it.
That's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also share it with the people who might be interested. Also, click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out with future videos. If you have any questions or doubts regarding this video, you can definitely drop them down in the comment section. I will be happy to answer them. That's it from my end. I'll see you guys pretty soon. Till then, bye!